Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss how you can work with the PDF files. So in today's video I will discuss how you can merge two PDF files, how you can split PDF file, how you can write on a PDF file, how you can convert PDF to Word document. So this video will be very helpful for you if you want to work on PDF files. So for that you must have this of a Foxit reader in your system. You can install Foxit reader from the official website of Foxit reader. If you are not sure about the Foxit reader website, you can search it from the Google. So Foxit reader download, so you will be redirected to that website, and here you can download the Foxit reader. Why I prefer this Foxit reader? Because there are plenty of tools available on this Foxit reader. One important is pencil. With the help of pencil tool you can write anything on the PDF files, because you are teaching your students. Then, and if you want to write something important on a PDF file, you can write anything you want to write. Fine. So similarly you can highlight something, you can write anything you want to write on the PDF file. And another important option is the text box. If you, for example, if I want to write this is for demo, you can write like this. And another option that is important is typewriter. If you want to write anything, you can use typewriter. Hello everyone, this is for your reference. So these are important tools. And if you want to highlight something, you can highlight the area of that PDF file, particular PDF file. And if you, because it will help you in making an important notes and highlighting some important information on that PDF file. And similarly you can draw any shape on that PDF file. For example, if you want to draw a rectangle, or if you want to draw a cloud, anything you want to write on the PDF file, you can write. Fine. So these are the important tools if you want to work on the PDF files. This is for just for demo purpose. So you must try these tools. You must try this pencil tool, you must try this typewriter, text box. If you want to write a note, you can insert a note here. For example, if you want to insert a note, so you can insert a note on this PDF file. So these are very important tools, you must try. Fine. Okay, so if you want to save this PDF file, you can simply Control S and this file will be saved. Okay, next the important thing, suppose I want to split this PDF file. This PDF file is of 7, as you can see this PDF file contains 7 pages. Fine. And I want to split this PDF file into I want only 4 pages. So you want to split this PDF file. For that I must recommend this website, ilovepdf.com. it's very important website. Now here you can see a plenty of options like merge PDF file, split PDF file. Okay, I am going to give a demo. So suppose you want to split PDF file, so just click split PDF file, and here it will ask you to draw PDF file or select PDF file. So I am going to select that file. Okay, so I am going to select this file. So this file will be uploaded. As you can see, this file has 7 pages, so 7 pages you can see. And here you can see, if you want to split, if I want to split this file from page number 1 to page number 4, okay, and then click on split PDF, and here you can see PDF has been split. So download split PDF, and simply you can download this PDF file and see. Now this file has been downloaded. Just wait, let me open this file. Okay, so this is the file that I have split from page number 1 to page number 4, and as you can see, this file has only 4 pages. Fine. So let me go to the downloads. Just wait. Okay, so now what I am going to do, this is the PDF file that I have just splitted, and I want to move this file into the folder. So just I have now the file has been moved to this folder. Okay, the file is open. Just wait and try again. Okay, now this folder has two PDF files, criteria 6 and criteria 614. Now I want to merge these PDF files. So simply, now see, first of all let me show you this PDF file. This PDF file has 7 pages, and this PDF file has 4 pages. Okay, and suppose I want to I am going to create a Word document, demo. Okay, and suppose this is the Word document, and here I am going to write a content. So this is the text that I have created randomly. Now I want to convert this Word document into PDF file. Fine, so simply what I am going to do, I am going to save this as a PDF. So okay, so work with PDF file and demo. I have created another PDF file. This is the demo PDF file. This is of again 4 pages, and here again if you want to write something you can write, and I am going to write a demo PDF file. Fine, and then save this file. Now my folder work with PDF has 3 PDF files. I am going to delete this Word file. This is no longer required. I don't want to save, so I am going to delete this file. Now this folder has 3 PDF files, and I want to merge all these PDF files. So simply now go to the merge PDF, and when you click on merge PDF, it will ask you to select PDF files. I want to merge all these 3 files, so I will select all these 3 files, and now it will show you the order. Suppose this is my first file, so just drag it from here, and this is the second file, and this is the third file. You can arrange these 3 files. So first PDF file contains 4 pages, second PDF file contains 4 pages, and another 7 pages. So 4 plus 4 8 plus 7 15 pages. Again, then you need to click on merge PDF. So it is merging PDF files for you. Just wait, download, and then click on download merged PDF and see. So it is the, so it contains 15 pages, and it is the, see, you can see, just wait. Okay, so here you can see this PDF file has 15 pages, and all 3 PDF files has been merged. All PDF files have been merged. So let me go to the downloads folder, and it is the, and here just wait while it is, yeah, it is the merged PDF file. So let me cut from here, and I will paste it in the work with PDF file folders. So all these 3 PDF files have been merged. So far I have discussed how you can split a PDF file and how you can merge different PDF files into one single file. Now suppose so this is the PDF file, this is the PDF file, demo PDF file, and suppose this is a Word, as you can see, it is in the PDF format, and I want to convert it into the Word format. So here you can see again, I will go to this file, ilovepdf.com. I will go to this website, ilovepdf.com, and here convert PDF and PDF to Word. I want to convert this convert PDF to Word. So here you will need to select PDF file, and I want to convert this PDF file, demo. So just select that PDF file and then convert to Word. So you will see, and then click on download Word, and it will ask you to save this file, and I want to save, and see, you can see my folder now has Word file, and the PDF file has been converted to the Word file, and you can make the changes as well. So it is the editable Word file. You can make changes, you can delete something. If you want to delete, you can delete anything. Okay, and you can save. So see how helpful is this website, ilovepdf.com. You must try all these options. Let me show you the home page of this website, ilovepdf.com, and you can try another option. You can convert PowerPoint to PDF, you can convert Word to PDF. Plenty of options are available here, and even you can edit PDF file. You can add text, images, shapes, etc. That you can also do with the Foxit reader. Suppose I have already explained. Suppose this is the PDF file. I will open this file with the Foxit reader, and you can also edit from here. You can make changes from here. If you want to insert any text box, or if you want to write anything, or if you want to insert any shape, I have already discussed these points. If you want to insert a note or a file, anything you want, you can do with this Foxit PDF reader. And another thing that I have explained, there are so many tools available on this ilovepdf.com that you must try, and these are very handful tools. You can compress PDF, you can even compress PDF. For example, let me show you this PDF file. This is of 370 KB, and I want to compress this PDF file. So select PDF file. So I want to compress this PDF file, and click on compress. So it is compressing PDF file, and see, 370 KB file has been compressed to 119 KB PDF file. So why it is required to, why it is required to compress PDF file? Because sometimes we need to upload some PDF, upload some documents to website, and due to size limit, we need to compress those files. So this file criteria 6 compressed. Now this file has been compressed. So far I have discussed how you can merge PDF file, how you can split PDF file, how you can compress PDF file. Again, I am going to show you the demo of split PDF file. So let me again explain you. So suppose this is the file, and you want to split this PDF file from page number 5 to page number 7. You can split, and just wait, and you can download the split file. So I have splitted this file from page number 7 to page number from page number 5 to page number 7. So see, this file has been split. So this way you can work efficiently with PDF files, and you must try these another option. And in case you face any problem, any difficulty, you feel free to comment in the comment box. So that's all for this video. Thank you.